Hey there, nice to meet you. I'm Lorenzo, owner of Starfire Management. I made over 250k last year from one OnlyFans profile. So I took a look at your whole funnel. I'm going to tell you exactly on the marketing side what I would fix if you were a creator coming into my agency, as well as some quick fixes you can implement to improve the conversion rate and everything. So first of all, your bio is too messy, it's too long. You just want to bring people to click on the link. Here, I would add a bit more highlights to showcase your life, your personality, get people to get to know you better. This is basically where people can actually fall in love with you, so it's super important. As for your content, these are all CapCut's edit, and I understand the logic behind them. I can understand creating content is hard, what to post, when to post it, they don't get views, what should I do next, who should I copy? It's super messy, I super understand. So on this side, the quickest fix you can do is actually start posting more. Also, I feel like you may have a rich flag because you're getting not enough views for for the number of followers you have. So let's check the account status inside your Instagram settings. If everything is fine, it's just a content issue. I would strongly advise looking up other creators in your same niche, seeing what works for them and adapt it to your own personality. This is the easiest thing I can do for you. For our creators, we actually build a strategy for them, tell them exactly what content to do, when to post it, so that they actually get growth on their Instagram, because Instagram is the highest leverage platform there is, so it's super important. Then once you start posting more and getting more views, you want to bring people to the link, which works fine. The issue is you have way too much stuff. There is the fan view, there is the Telegram, you have all your socials here. There is this one, this doesn't really, at first I didn't even know myself, this was the OnlyFans link. Then you have this one, Fans Live, Buy My Panty, then all the socials. I see why you did that. What I would say is, let's remove everything, just keep the OnlyFans, because that's the most important thing. You don't want to bring people from Instagram to another social platform. You want people to go from Instagram or whatever social you're planning on using to OnlyFans. This OnlyFans is the main thing we need to target. Then once we go on the OnlyFans profile, let's see. Here, the fastest thing you can fix is, for our creators, we keep their profile up 24/7, so there is and higher, we basically improve the chances of people subscribing because they feel like they will get a reply sooner if you are online. Obviously we cover 24/7 for them, so they always get a reply. In your case, you can just put it 24/7 up. You may reply the next morning, but it's fine, at least you got the sub. The pricing, I'm not saying you're not worth it. I'm just saying, what I want to say is it's a bit high. It's a bit pricey in this market. What I would do is keep it like this, but add a discount for at least the first month. The highest discount works fine because anyway you need just people to go onto the profile, and then you're gonna make them spend in the chats. This link, I would remove it. You don't want people to go onto Amazon because there you may have something too much expensive that they don't really want to buy, and it's not that likely they will come back on the OnlyFans. The bio is too long. I would make it a bit shorter. The banner is a bit too much complex. I would just, a picture of you laying would be pretty nice. Then obviously this is what I can see from the side. If we were to take a look at the pricing and everything, the content you're selling, I'm sure we could find something there to improve. But yeah, this is everything I can see from that side. The quickest win, as I said, is just to post more. Let's see what others do, and let's implement it inside your content strategy. And here, these couple of fixes will improve your conversion rate and get the most money and the most subs you can. So yeah, if you want to talk about something else, if you want me to take a look at something, just text me, just let me know. I will try to help you as best as I can. See you.